Okay. I'm just shooting a little bit of video to show what the underside of the bed in the back looks like. So you can see I got a mattress and a box spring that I dumpstered from a hotel. It's in excellent shape. This is the really half-assed bed frame I built in like 2 or 3 hours. And under here we have just a whole bunch of fucking wood and shit that I hope to plan to use for building other parts of the interior of the bus. That all came from the dumpster. And I got some sleeping bags and some other miscellaneous junk down here. I'm in the middle of cleaning all of this crap out and just kind of generally cleaning. So that's what the underside of the bus, or the bed in the bus, looks like. So here's our after picture. Underneath, all nice and clean. And you can kind of see under here the bed. Kind of basic frames. And the box spring on top of it. Works pretty well. Kind of shifts around a little bit. But it cost me virtually nothing. So, oh yeah, and that is a heater that I've never used. I'm probably going to try and remove this week. Because it's just kind of in the way and crap gets trapped underneath it. So, anyways. That is the clean underside of the bed.